Here's Yoga 10. I'm going to get right to it. Inhale up, exhale fold, inhale step back, exhale lower down, inhale upward facing, exhale downward facing dog, inhale step up, exhale fold, inhale up, exhale back down. I'll do 3 more in a row. Here we go. Inhale up, exhale fold, inhale step back, exhale, inhale upward facing, exhale downward facing, inhale step up, exhale fold, inhale up, exhale arms down. One more time just like this. On the last one, I'll add an advancement. Hands down, inhale step back, exhale lower down, inhale upward facing dog, exhale downward facing dog. Inhale step up, exhale fold, inhale all the way up, exhale hands down. Last one, I'm going to add a jump instead of a step. Inhale up, exhale fold, inhale jump back or step back, exhale lower down, inhale upward facing dog, exhale downward facing dog, inhale step or jump up, exhale fold, inhale all the way up, exhale, back to starting. Keep repeating that or keep doing it over and over again. Bye.